Hello everyone, it's Sylvain here. Welcome to the channel. On today's video, we're going to talk about Convertoolz, so a landing page campaign software that you could use straight from a website online. So Convertoolz, that's what we're going to talk about. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be reminded of upcoming videos. So I'd really like you to be part of this channel. And then obviously you're going to miss out a bunch of videos if you don't click down below. So make sure you click down below, like the channel. So again, on this channel, I'll be talking about making money online through affiliate marketing, network marketing, and also like this one, doing product reviews. So ready to bring you value in your affiliate marketing journey. Also bring a lot of value if you're a network marketer, way to grow your audience. So it's all stuff that I bring forward and I'd like to share with you to help you out succeed in your business. So make sure you subscribe once again. So now let's get rolling with the video here. Straight through the back office. All right. So as you see here, just beside me, so Omar Martin is the creator with his spouse Melinda, so the creator of Convertoolz. So like I said, it's an opt-in page. I think he calls it campaign program, to put opt-in pages out there so you can gain your audience. Like I might have touched before, so your audience, so it can be brought by multiple ways. All right, so it could be you go YouTube channel like I'm doing right now, through Facebook, and then also autoresponders. Obviously, you need to, in most cases, offer something upfront to get your audience. In exchange, you'll give something, and then they give you their email addresses that later you can use, right? So it's a give and take on this one. So let's dive quickly from the back office here. So pretty simple layout. I love the actual colors of it. So really simple at the top. So dashboard, main settings, tutorials. Deeper in this. So step one, we're going to talk about what is Convertoolz. Step number two, so what kind of problem does it fix? And then step number three, that will be is it something for you? All right, so we'll cover those questions in my video. So like I said, simple layout. I love it. It's simple to get in it. You can see all your campaigns right from the main page here, and I'll probably just run you through just one example of it. It's pretty simple and it's really easy to set it up. So it could take about a couple minutes from start to the final product to actually get something going. So I'll just demonstrate that real quick here. So you do is go at the bottom of the page here, add new. And then obviously you're gonna go to that next page, and then there's a few things. All right, so like I said before, right, so you're gonna offer something first in order to get some people to get you your email addresses, right? So I don't want to give that person an email address, right? Who's that guy, right? So you want to offer something up front, right? Something appealing that can in turn then offer their email address in exchange for that. So let's have a look here at a few of the so these are all accessible when you pay for the system. So all that stuff is already built in. You don't have to pay extra for it. So that's pretty good. And there's some that are actually the first step would be to make sure you connect your autoresponders, because obviously people that sign up to your list, they need to end up somewhere, right? So you need an autoresponder. For that matter, let's go back in this here before I go any further. Yeah, so they have GetResponse, Aweber, MailChimp, SendLane, and then you can also Sendy, and you can also connect JVZoo, your affiliate ID, so you can use that right from scratch. So let's go back to the dashboard and new. So really, so the first step, connect your autoresponder. Second step obviously would be to start your campaign, and now you're gonna actually have to select the product. So let's just take the first one without taking too much time here. So I can set up, and then it's pretty simple. So that's the stuff that's going to appear in your main page, right? So headline, video, description. So if you want all of them, so for the first page, I'll probably recommend to have it. And then you would have your campaign name, you can call it YouTube video test in this case, right? I'm just, or demo That's what I'm doing right now. Landing page headline. We can leave it as is. If again you have a for whatever offer, or if you want to present yourself, you can actually input your YouTube not channel, well, part of your channel, but an actual video of yourself in there that's uploaded off YouTube, and then you can with the URL connect it to it, so you can present yourself as opposed to have that standardized video of it. So that's and personalization is really good once you go online. They get to know you right from scratch. That could be really good for you to be out there up front. So that's something to think about anyway. Once you get a bit more comfortable. And then you connect your autoresponder. In this case, I've got MailChimp. And then, I'd say, so that's my list here. I use my slogan, accelerate your life. So let's put that in there. You have choice of two box styles, so either light or dark box. So in this case, let's say we're going to go light. Text color, button color, you just change that. I'm not going to spend too much time here. Let's just take the blue here, and then you can take a background color, or take a picture that's already inputted in the software. And it's those ones are actually pretty good. So we selected light. There's like a few categories here. For light box, we can select that. It's going to be a darker background. So let's pick this one. There we go. Select this image. So again, really simple. And then you're already ready. So you have already done step number 1 of the process of building your page at that point. So now that second portion, so again, they ask you the same questions. Okay, headline, video, description. So in this case, I'll tell you later. So I'll probably remove the video part of it. So it's going to keep things shorter. So that's your download page. So you offer something, and that's the page they land on once they give you your email addresses. And then they can actually download the product that you input it in the system, right? Headline, so we can keep down, and then again you can put a video. So thanks for giving me your email. You can now download the free product. Don't forget to get in touch with me or something like that. So you can have something for them there. And finally, discover step process. Boom. We'll do light box again. Same color. Hopefully I'm picking the same thing. Okay. Image. And then we said light box. It was this one here. No, that wasn't it. That was it. Select this image. And now I just want to show you the final product of it. And then you can input now a promotion. So you can promote one of their programs of higher level strategy. So that's Omar and Melinda's company. So let's pick Buzzinar. And then you save that. So now you're actually done. So it was super quick to do it. All right. So first thing, so that's what it does. A page, opt-in page. If you're not really good technically, that's certainly an option for you there, because it's super easy to use. So that's really something that fixes. It fixes, the issue of, having to build something, go on ClickFunnels and try to set up all your, different addresses, different settings, and so on. So that's really simple and to the point. All right. So now copy URL. So I'll show you how it looks like. So I'll go in this page, and then boom here. And then there you go. So that's how it looks like. So if you have a YouTube video, you'd be actually in it. So first get an instant access here. There you go. So that's your button there. And then once, if we go back to this here, if they go forward and actually give you email. And then now, as you see, they can download the product. You can thank them for, you can change the message essentially there. And then you also upfront offer something. So that's one step, opt-in pages, but like in marketing, they say you're never done really. So if they've bought something, offer something else. So that could be a way of doing it. So there you go. Buzzinar offers something up front, and they get a little discount off the product, and then you may be able to get another sale or a first sale out of that. Simple email that they gave you, right? So that's simply how it looks like. So yeah, that was pretty much it for the demo of this here. So what it does, I showed you. So campaign page, opt-in page, fixes, it's really easy to use. So if you're not too technical or you're a beginner in affiliate marketing, that's certainly something I recommend you using. All right, so that's pretty much just. Hopefully you liked it. Make sure you hit the like button if you like this video, subscribe, and then hit the bell icon again to be reminded of upcoming videos. And hopefully we'll see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. And then if you have any questions, make sure you ask down below. I'll get back to you. All right, bye-bye.